a nice sunny day. What activity we should do for today, Sapphire?
How about we should play tennis?
Don't you think we should be at the tennis court of tennis rackets?
I guess that sounds like a better choice. Maybe staying inside would be worth it as opposed to playing tennis in the rain. With dangerous thunderstorms, of course.
There's our house. Quick. Phew, that was close. Otherwise we could have been struck by lightning. Let's watch the news to see if the thunderstorm is going to last.
Breaking news. Report Brogden District due to being underwatched by thunderstorms. The outside view is covered with rain in most, if not all, areas, followed by flashing thunder. Watch what happens when you get struck by lightning. See that? This is why you should never be outside to be struck by the dangerous lightning that comes from the thunderstorm. That's all we have to say. Thank you for watching the news, and make sure you stay inside for safety from the thunderstorm.
Oh man, I can't believe that the thunderstorm ruined our activity of playing tennis. I just want to play it so bad.
Don't worry, Sapphire. The thunderstorm won't last forever. I mean, what are the bad things that could happen? Don't panic, Sapphire. We are inside of our house. It's just the fact that thunder scared you.
Jeez. Thunderstorms are scary because of the lightning. What can go even worse? No. I can't believe that the power just went off and ruined our chances from having any inside activity. This is even more worse than ever. Now I'm even more worried.
Maybe I should try calling someone from other house in this town, such as like Michael Timothy or Amir Maghrabi. Hey Michael Timothy, me and Sapphire had a thunderstorm watch and we tried to make ourselves staying calm, right until we lost power. How are you doing?
I'm doing fine. I'm one of the only people that my house still has power despite being under watch for a thunderstorm. And no, I'm not really in a good mood right now, so I think I will have to hang up and be safe.
Okay then, be safe. Well, Sapphire, it appears that one of the few people still has power, while others don't. It doesn't seem that it can be good.
God. This is starting to get crazy. Anything else, Joseph?
I don't really know what to do now.
Man, that thunderstorm was raining outside that I had to bring an umbrella to keep myself from being wet. Anyways, I came here to this house to check on both of you.
Thank goodness you're here, Radio Star. You have to do something to make me stay calm.
Honestly, instead of going to your main head, how about I make a method where you count to 5 to make sure the thunderstorm go away? You should try it in your mind.
Okay then. I will try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe it just won't work since the thunderstorm always bothers me.
Perhaps waiting should work better since it can make us stay calm until the thunderstorm goes away.
Well, at least the thunderstorm has passed away, but has left some wet puddles outside. I guess we don't have to wait anymore inside.
Hey, look, there's my tennis racket. Now can we go back to playing tennis?
Not really. I think I will let the Mr. Incredible becomes uncanny meme take the ending.